Hi YouTube, I just want to review this product. This is a TR Industrial. It's a measuring tool. I forgot what it's called. It's like a tape measure on wheels. So basically, it's a 12-inch wheel, like so, that you can use to measure long distances. So it comes with a bag, and so when you first open it, it's collapsible, so it looks like that. And when you open it like so, it expands. Okay, to use this, first you have to assemble the handle, and there's this handle that moves up and down right here, and you need to align these two arrows so that you can slide it in like that. There you go. And once you slide in, then it becomes a straight stick. It's probably about, I would say, 3.5 foot. It's about 3.5 foot tall, and the wheel is pretty easy to roll. As you can see, it's like almost frictionless. And the control here, well, not the control, it's actually the meter right here. As you can see, it's pretty large, so even from standing up, I am 5'6". I can still see exactly how many feet I have measured. And there's also a stand here. See if I can open it. There you go. Sorry, this is a tripod, if you would. So it can stand by itself, just like that. And you can easily stow it away, just like that, and completely out of the way. So this unit is very easy to operate. Basically, there is this lever here, and as you can see, it has an arrow going to the front. So if I push this lever to the front, it resets it back to 0, and that's it. You're ready to go. So to use it, you just simply start at a particular place like this, and you start moving, and you'll see that the wheel is turning, and how many feet that you have measured is being recorded. And when you get to the end, you just stop, and you can see I just measured 42 inches and 42 feet and 3 inches. And you can easily put the stand on, even with 1 foot. There you go. And then turn the lever, or push the lever to the front and reset it. Okay, there you go. So this is again the TR Industrial measuring wheel. It's the 12-inch version. I think I got it from Amazon for about $37 with Amazon Prime. I used it just now to measure about 300 something feet. No, more than that. Probably about 500 feet of linear feet measurement that I need to do in a parking lot, and it works wonderfully. It works perfectly. So I'm very happy with this particular purchase, and just want to do this review quickly and recommend it. If you need a measuring wheel to measure distances, please consider this TR Industrial measuring wheel. I will put the link to the product below, and it comes with a nice bag like this. This is the tag that came with it. Very nice. The product is very good quality. When you're done using the product, it is really easy to fold. So first thing that you do is bring this stand down and then slide this part right here up so that you can fold the product like that. And there's a notch here that you can see that it actually just clip on, so it keeps the product nice and folded like so it doesn't come off. And then this is the perfect shape of the bag, and it goes nicely in the back like that, so it fits very snugly. Forgot to mention, just in case anybody wonder, this is a batteryless measuring wheel. It does not have any battery and does not need any battery, so is good. You don't have to worry about batteries.